Good morning, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these videos from over the years that are linked down below in the description box. So today I'm packing Matt a peach pure leaf tea, a vitamin water in the mango, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich here is on a loaf of rye bread that I actually froze a few months back and just thawed out yesterday on Sunday. So again, today's Monday, and it's perfectly fine. I just had this loaf wrapped in foil and then had it labeled so I knew what it was, and it tastes perfectly fresh and fine. So bread really does freeze well when you freeze it correctly. Anyways, I made a huge batch of egg salad yesterday, so my hands are clean. I just put some egg salad, Swiss cheese, some crisp iceberg, and a little tiny bit of mayo on the actual bread to make the cheese and lettuce stick to it. So that is in this little container. I did this little baggie up of some Campari, like tomatoes, a cheese stick, and then some of this, it's like a feta salami, like a charcuterie board kind of salami. I've got some Trader Joe's coconut cashews, which are like one of my top favorite things from Trader Joe's ever. They're absolutely delicious. I'm going to try to start remembering to show you guys packaging of things like I just did, because I get a lot of questions about certain items and what kind of packaging and brand they are, so I'm going to try and do that in the future when I can. And then lastly, a Trader Joe's vanilla almond chewy coated and drizzled granola bar. So this is lunch today on Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Hey guys, good morning. Packing up Matt's work cooler with a peach pure leaf tea, one of the Trader Joe's wild berry smoothies. Same sandwich as yesterday on the rye with the egg salad, the cheese, the lettuce. I think this will be the last of the egg salad because I am going to have a huge sandwich today of it because I love egg salad, and that should be the last of it. I did give him some large mango spears, some of the Trader Joe's maple leaf cookies. I am obsessed with these. They are so good. I have like one every night. They're really, really good. And then he did ask for more of the coconut cashews because he really enjoyed them yesterday. I'm obsessed with these as well. But yeah, really easy lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade Flow in the Tidal Punch flavor. By the way, if you like Gatorade and you've never tried any of the Flow flavors, give them a try. They're much more smooth, and I actually really like them a lot. One of these lemon lime sodas, this is like a BJ's brand. I got a big variety pack of it for Christmas. And then 2 sandwiches here. Normally I give him 1, but these are on the smaller side. They are actually the Walmart brand Sweet Hawaiian hamburger rolls. So I don't know, I just kind of used my judgment. I thought they were a little small for one. And they have some Salins ham, some crisp iceberg, some spicy mustard, and then I did put some of this Hormel cheddar pepperoni on there. I got a lot of questions about this when I showed this in previous lunch videos. So again, it's the Hormel brand cheddar pepperoni. So it's just sharp cheddar with pepperoni right in the cheese. And I find mine at the Walmart deli counter, so you do have to ask for it to be sliced. But Matt says it's really good. So that's what both these little sandwiches have. I also gave him a little like confetti butterscotch bar that my son and I made. Very simple to make these. They're just pretty much marshmallows with butterscotch and peanut butter. And then some of the Trader Joe's tortilla chips, like cheddar, or, you know, they're pretty much like Trader Joe's version of like a Dorito. And they're pretty good actually. So yeah, this is Matt's lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Dr. Thunder, a peach pure leaf iced tea. The wrap is on this jalapeno cheddar wrap. It's some beef pastrami with Swiss cheese, arugula, and then some pesto aioli by Terrapin Farms. I have some cut up mango spears in here. These are some maple leaf cookies, which are like my favorite thing from Trader Joe's. So good. So I gave him 2 of those. They're actually pretty substantial sized cookies. And then I also gave him a Trader Joe's nutty chocolate chewy coated and drizzled granola bar. So really easy lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it is Friday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade Flow in the Title Punch, one of these grape sodas. This is the Wellesley Farm brand from BJ's. And then, of course, as always, the water cooler. I'm going to show you guys these in a second because I've been getting a lot of questions about them still. I did do a bento box today. So I did some pepperoni, some smoked summer sausage, some celery, some jumbo olives. Those things are huge. I did put some ranch in the middle part for him to dip the celery and olives. And then my mom, since it's Christmas time, it makes a bunch of different Christmas cookies and different cookies, so she did give me some to hold me over until Christmas when she gives me more. But I'm giving Matt like a peanut butter cookie with a Hershey Kiss, and then a couple, my hands are clean by the way, a couple little like shortbread sugar cookies in the box. I'm also going to give him a little Pringle and then one of these caramel, almond, and sea salt Kind bars. I actually really like these. And then I think I'm going to also give him some of these Trader Joe's coconut cashews, which is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. I'll probably put this in a little container like this, just in case. So I'll probably do that for him. And then the water cooler, this is the one I pack him. I just fill it up to about here with ice and then just a little above with water. It's just the Bubba brand cooler. We've had this thing for like 5 years. We got it at Walmart back in South Carolina and it works perfectly. It's really durable and it keeps his water really, really cold. And then this is the water or the lunch cooler we bought around the same time, about 5 years ago at Walmart. I don't know like a size, guys, but it's just perfect to fit like an ice pack and then the drinks and whatever, like sandwich, and this box fits perfectly as well. Again, the brand is Igloo, which is a common brand you could find at like Walmart or Target or like a sporting goods store, usually like in the outdoor section, because I constantly get questions about what I actually pack the lunch and the water in, because I know there's always new people finding my channel that don't know. So now you know, it's those two items. Yeah, this is Lunch Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunch, and there's an entire playlist from over the years linked down below in the description box as well as here on the end card. I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this week's What's for Lunch, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.